Hi and welcome to the video. In this video, I'll show you how you can mute the audio in your Canva video. So from here, go ahead and click Uploads. Upload the video that you want to mute. Give it some time to upload completely. Now once that's done, go ahead and put it on the scene. Here are some interesting facts about your feline friend. So right now we have an audio for this video. Now click on the video and look for this speaker icon. Click on that and then all you have to do is turn the volume all the way down. Now let's try to play. And as you can see, the audio has been muted. Once that's done, go ahead and click share, click download, and download the video. And that's it. That's how easily you can mute audio in your Canva video. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.